Nanababaw kabalin, welcome to Warren, Pampanga. For today's video, na-invite po tayo ng Kuya JC Fried Chicken dito sa may Gutad, Florida, Pampanga. First time natin ma-encounter itong Kuya JC Fried Chicken. Tingnan natin kung anong sinaserve nila. Let's go! Alright, so ito na nga guys, ito na yung inihandaan nila para sa atin. Starting off with fried chicken. So ito yung pinaka-classic meal talaga dito. 1 piece or 2 piece. Nandito sa table natin, it's 2 piece chicken for only 149 pesos. Burger, which is 69 pesos. A chicken burger for only 59 pesos. Now yung price natin is just 50 pesos. Ayan, okay. Alright. Ginagawa rin nyo ba yan? Now, first sa kanilang mga burgers, I wanna try yung kanilang chicken. Appetizing. Very juicy actually. Now in it, you have your usual vegetables like lettuce, onion, and tomato. So next natin titikman is yung kanilang fried chicken. There you go. This is it. Oh, look at that. In all honesty and in fairness, chicken nila parang KFC. Ayan. Sabi ko nga, in fairness guys, no? So yung chicken nila, almost similar taste sa mga sikat na mga fast food, no? Yung mga herbs and spices na ginamit nila dito. Similar distinction. There you go. Amazing. Finger licking good. Yum. Meron din po silang hamburger which is beef, non-chicken. Beef is also available sa kanilang mga burgers. Try it. Sarap. So business information tayo guys, Kuya JC Fried Chicken dito sa may Floridablanca is located po dito sa may intersection ng Barangay San Roque at Barangay Gutad. So pinaka-landmark na kailangan nyo tandaan dito is harapan lamang siya ng Alphamart. Yun guys, so bilang panghuli, available din sa kanila yung dessert. Tingnan natin. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're to ask me, this is very recommendable, lalong-lalo na for solo meal. Nalaman ko rin na meron silang tugong na bucket. So for only 349 pesos, 7 pieces na po yun. Good for pasalubong sa inyong family. So thanks so much for watching Warren, Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys!